Hello everyone, I am Pavani, working as an assistant professor in CSE AIML department at MLR Institute of Technology. Today I would like to give a session on natural language generation in natural language processing, NLG in NLP. So what is the meaning of natural language generation? It is used to create natural language text from computer data. That means machine text to human text. This is the meaning of natural language generation. It is easy to create natural language text from computer data. So today's the overview is about natural language introduction, NLG introduction, and what is the difference between the NLG and NLP. Means what NLG, natural language generation, and natural language processing, and next difference between the NLU and NLG, natural language understanding and generation. These are the two components in NLP, right? Next one, challenges of NLG. Next, applications of NLP. These are today's overview, right? So coming to the first one. So what is the meaning of natural language generation? We already discussed, right? So it is a subfield of natural language processing. The main goal of NLG is automatically generate human-like text from structured data to unstructured data, right? It allows computers to communicate with the humans in natural language like English, Hindi, or Spanish, or what else, Sanskrit, so many other languages, right? So NLG is important in applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, that means AI assistants, automatic report generations like weather reports, financial reports like banking, like the summaries. Next, text summarization and text classification and personalized content like emails, messages, right? These are some applications of the natural language generation. So, how the system works by tuning data or machine understandable content into human readable text. That means we are taking the machine readable data to convert into the human readable text. So, after converting the human readable text, compulsory the human need to analyze the text. So continuation, one of the earliest example is LEC19 a simple chatbot that responds using predefined patterns, but it shows only the mimic human conversation to some extent. It will show only the some extent of the human language. So all through Lisa seemed smart, it did not understand the real meaning, but it matched patterns and returned memorized responses. It only respond to the only master patterns, but did not understand the actual meaning of what the sentence is there, right? Today's NLG systems are much more advanced because they use AI and deep learning techniques to generate more fluent, meaningful context-aware text. This is all about the introduction of the natural language generation. Coming to the difference between natural language processing and natural language generation, right? So, coming to the first aspect, what is the meaning of the natural language processing? That means the ability of a computer program to understand the human language as it is spoken, right? This is the meaning of natural language processing. That means a board of field that helps computers understand and process human language. Means this is the meaning of the definition of the natural language processing. So what is the definition of the natural language generation, right? This is a subfield of NLP that focuses on generating the human-like text. It means it takes the machine-readable text and it transfers into the human text, human understandable text. So what is the goal of NLP? To understand, interpret, and analyze the human language. To understand, interpret, and analyze the human language. What is the goal of NLG? Produce or generate the human language from data, means machine-readable data. This is the goal of the NLP and NLG. Coming to the, so what is the direction of the aspect? Direction aspect is, so input is taken and generates into the human language to computer. like text analysis. And next, output taken from the computer and generates to the human, like report generation. Okay, so report will taken from the computer, generate to the human language, understandable language. Examples: speech recognition, sentiment analysis, machine translation, text classification. Right? These are the examples of the natural language processing. So examples of the natural language generation is chatbot and weather reports, email, automatic responses. Right? Next, this is a type of natural language understanding. This is a type of natural language generation. Right? Tools: tokenization, parsing, POS tagging, etc. Means tokenization means we are dividing tokens, right? Parsing means we have to follow some structure of the rules for sentence formation, right? POS tagging means parts of speech tagging, noun phrase, pronoun phrase, right? Like verb phrase, right? Next, coming to the natural language generation, the tools are used: content selection, sentence planning, surface realization. These are the some tools we are using in natural language generation. Next videos we will discuss about what is the sentence selection and sentence planning, surface relation. We will discuss, right? Next, components of NLP. There are two types of components of NLP are there: natural language understanding and natural language generation, right? So one of the component is natural language generation we are discussing now, right? So what is the some aspect is full form is natural language understanding, natural language generation, right? Definition. What is the definition of natural language understanding? It helps the computers to understand, make sense of human language input, right? Next, what is the natural language? It helps computers generate human language output. Okay, it helps computers understand and make sense of human language input. Here understanding what the user understanding. Here what the generation is. It is for human. The main goal is understanding the meaning. In this NLU, compulsory you have to understand the meaning of the sentences, right? Then only we can get the output, intent and context from user input. Next, coming to NLG, produce meaningful and natural sounding sentences. It produces the meaningful and natural language sounding sentence. Direction is human to computer, computer to human, right? So then only here the natural language understanding, human whatever the spoken words, computer will understand that, then only it will choose the output. But here we will get the data from the computer, then we will generate the language of human to text to the human. So example, chatbot understanding a question, right? So here we are using chatbot, right? Chatbot will understand the human language, right? So voice assistant we are using, right? So finally, sentiment analysis, we are applying sentiment analysis, happy sentence or sad sentence, angry sentence, then we'll declare it as a sentiment analysis by using sentiment analysis. Next, coming to natural language generation, chatbot giving a reply, auto-generate news summaries and creative personalized messages, right? Chatbot will reply to the machine readable text, right, to the human language. Focus on it mainly focus on natural language understanding, focus on interrupting what the user says. Exactly, this is the key point. What the exactly user says. Here, NLU focus on what the user says. That means human, what the human speaks, right? Next, deciding what to say and how to say it. So whenever we are taking data, what type of data we want to take and how it will send the user to the human language. So related tags are intent recognition, entity extraction, and language parsing, and content planning, sentence structuring, word choices. These are the related tasks. According to a natural language understanding, the related tasks are intent recognition, entity extractions, and language parsing. And next, coming to natural language generation, content planning, sentence structuring, word choices. Word choice. Okay. Let's discuss. See. This is an important one. Challenges of NLG. Challenges of natural language generation. Coming to the first one, we have two main questions, right? In text generation, what is the first one? What to write? It means how the content selection, what to write. Choose the right content. Then only we'll get the exact output. That means exact human language output, right? Next, second one, how to write. How to write means arrange the content into sentences. That means structuring of the text. See, texting of the text structuring. That means how the sentence formation in the structure form. That means we have to follow some rules, right? Next, but second one, system must pick the correct words, build good sentence structure, make sure sentences are clear and meaningful. That means word choice. We have whatever the word we are picking up, right? pick the correct word, and build a good sentence structure, and make sure the words are clear and meaningful, right? So next, third challenge is it is difficult to measure quality of generated text. Human evaluation is often required, which is time consuming. So whenever we are taking data from the system, it converts into human text, right? Then the human will compulsory understand the what the system will give the answer, right? Exactly, the human evaluation is required. It is correct or not, whether it is giving the correct answer or not, correct sentence or not, the human evaluation is often required when it taking some time consuming, right? Without human evaluation, we can't consider it is exact correct one, right? That means we are not giving the correct question. It will automatically the answer will not also wrong, right? So next come fourth challenge is natural language ambiguous. So ambiguous is one of the main challenges in NLP, right? Ambiguous means unclear. That means unclear structure of the word. Words can have more than one meaning. That means evaluation is very difficult in NLG, natural language generation. So fifth challenge is it is hard to deal with slang, idioms, and culture-based language. Slang pronunciations like both meaning is same or pronunciation same, but the word spelling is different. This is some slang. When in one language we call like this, another language we call some another meaning, right? Idioms. Culture to culture, the language will change, right? This is one of the main challenges in NLG. Sometimes NLG systems create sentences that sound correct but don't make logical sense. See the last one. Sometimes NLG systems create sentences that sound correct, but means pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation is same, but the logical sense is different. Whenever applying in real time, the logical senses may be changed. So coming to the next one, applications of NLG. So what is the first one? Automatic report generation. Automatically it generates the reports, right? So NLG automatically creates reports from structured data like numbers, tables, right? Example, financial reports, business intelligence reports, and performance summaries. This is a very important one. Automatic report generation by default generate the reports. It saves the time, reduces manual effort, and minimizes the human errors in interpreting the data. So next, this is one of the application in automatic report generation. The second one, content generation. So NLG can create returns such as news articles. Content generation means documents, descriptions, marketing, like bank, documentation, bills, like this. We can content generation where we use, right, content marketing platforms, websites, and social media like resumes, whatever, jobs. So content generation is a very important application in NLG. So it helps produce large amount of volumes, right? Personalized and engaging content automatically. So whenever we generating content, we require some large amount of database, right? Next, third one, chatbots and virtual assistants. So chatbots are very nowadays we are using very chatbots very regularly. So NLG allows chatbots like Alexa, Siri to generate natural human-like responses. So Alexa, Siri automatically, whenever the user want to speak the whatever information they need, automatically it responds within the very seconds. It will respond or Alexa and Siri, like examples, answering questions, giving information, guiding users. Go this way, like blind people. It will be very helpful to the visually impaired people. Why it is useful means it improves the user experience by making machines communicate like humans. So whenever we are talking with Alexa, like when we are talking with a friend, right? So same we are talking with a human, we feel like that. Fourth one, email and messaging. So by using NLG, we can write the customized emails, write reminders and messages. The very important one. Marketing campaigns, customer services, where it is useful, quick and efficient personalized communication with the customers through emails. Reminders also we can use by reminders also, right? Next, automated customer support. NLG generate answers to common customers' questions. Automatic customer support means like Amazon customer care. We are writing some questions. Automatically will get the answers by feedback, right? FAQs without human interaction, you will get the answers, responses, right? Support ticket applies, troubleshooting steps like where it is useful is speed up response time and reduces the workload of the human agents. So without a user human, we will get the responses very quickly, right? So next, medical and healthcare also we are using natural language generation. So patient summaries, clinical notes, interpretations of medical data. In this field also we are using natural language generation. So how the patient, when the patient joined, what is the problem of the patient, how the reports are there, how like this we can calculate all the summaries about the patient. Next, it assists doctors in managing patient records and improves efficiency in healthcare documentary. By using NLG, it improves very efficiency in healthcare domain. Next, personalized learning education. Coming to the education, it is also very important NLG, like how it is right material based to the students' progress. They can prepare documentations and material notes, PPTs like this. They can develop documentations or programs by using in education also. Automatically creating quiz questions, explanations to the students level. So it may by using multiple choice questions or quizzes like online quiz, you can use it. And then it improves the student engagement. Adaptive learning and improves the student engagement. Coming to the ninth one, weather forecast reports. So what is the meaning of eighth one? This is seventh one. Weather forecast reports. So NLG transforms raw weather data to the readable forecasts. So weather report, how the weather today, like this we can. So example, today will cloudy, the chance of rain in the evening. So save time for meteorologists and provides accurate information in plain language, right? It provides the human to the in plain language. Next one, e-commerce and production description, right? E-commerce, online systems automatically generate the product descriptions using product data. So it will generate the whenever without user interaction, it will generate the bill payments, right? E-commerce online applications, writing thousands of descriptions, one online store like Amazon or Flipkart, like automatically bill generated, right? Saves the manual effort and ensures the consistency. Next, 10th one, compliance and regularity reporting. NLG creates reports that follow government and industry regulations. It follows some rules and regulations according to the government regularity, and legal compliance documents are like audit reports, legal compliance means like taxes, we can use like that. Like this, in ensures transparency, accuracy, and standardized reporting. These are essential official and legal processes. According to legal, it will also help for the natural language generation. This is all. These are all applications. So many apps are there, but these are the very important one. So coming to summary, in this session we discussed introduction to natural language generation and differences between the natural language processing and natural language generation, and differences between common components of NLP, and those are NLU and NLG. Challenges of NLG and next applications of NLG. We covered these topics, right? Thank you.